Hey, I hope you're well, you're locked down, you're staying safe out there, drinking something nice, maybe sipping on some nice wine or beer or water or anything. I'm here, we're just gonna do this little Facebook video. I wanted to talk about a little bit about wine clubs. You know, I love the concept of wine club. I think it's a cool idea. You get a package in the mail, you don't know what's inside, it's really exciting. I was invited many times to a couple of tastings that are, tastings that were doing multi-level marketing type stuff. I found the wines to be actually pretty terrible. Some wine clubs reach out to us all the time to see if they want to work with us. I usually have to say no, but last year this wine club called Roscioli from Italy reached out to me. I looked at their portfolio, saw that they sent their clients some really interesting wines, usually small producers from Italy that farm organically or biodynamically, use native yeast, use unique indigenous grapes. I knew a lot of producers that they were working with, so I said, sure, why not? They sent me a box last year. I did a couple of videos. We are now affiliates for them, so just letting you know that. And it's working out well. I just got my new pack from Roscioli. I want to see what's going on in here. If you guys follow our work, you know I love Italian wines. It's the country where I first cut my teeth on fine wine. Actually, it's a story that changed my life. When I first went to Italy, when I was a graduate student, a backpacking student, I was just backpacking through Italy. I was liking wine, but I didn't really know that much. And I remember ordering a Sangiovese by the liter in Lucca, and I remember just smelling it for about 10 minutes, and my friends looked at me like I was weird, and that really kind of cultivated my love and passion for wine. So let's see what we have in here. We'll be doing tasting videos on these, 2 tasting videos on these wines. I'm really excited to see what they sent us. I see right away we got 2 sparkling wines, probably a white and red. Let's take a look here. Oh, I do know this producer. I think I had it in a restaurant recently. This is a Franciacorta, Brunetto, so zero dosage. This is from, let's see here, the producer, the Franciacorta. The name is Solo Uva. Yeah, Solo Uva. You have to let me know if anybody's tried this wine before. I'm looking forward to tasting this. I want to see if it's a vintage. This is a non-vintage. Excited to taste that. Franciacorta. Shireen is a huge champagne drinker, and she's warming up to Franciacorta, so that's cool. Wow. We have a Riesling Spumante. La Palazzola Method Classico. I don't know where this region is from. Scourgement by hand. This is actually for their wine club only. I don't even know where this winery is. If you guys know, you have to let me know. Very cool. Let's see what else that we have here. A Toscana Rosso Troncone. It's in Montalcino, so it looks like it's going to be a blend probably of Sangiovese, maybe Cabernet Sauvignon, something like that. Looking forward to tasting that. You know, Tuscany is a region that I love dearly. We have a Barbaresco from 2016. Supposed to be a fantastic vintage in Barbaresco. We might be tasting some Dieti wines here pretty soon. The producer is Piero Busso. Awesome. You have to let me know if you have tasted this wine before. You know, when we first started traveling around the world, before we were in the industry full-time, we actually went to Barbaresco. We went to Barbaresco, went to Barolo, tasting there exclusively. I remember going to, there's a Michelin star restaurant up there called La Ciao del Tornavento, and I remember going up there after we'd been tasting for a week, and I ordered Netna Rosso, and the sommelier looked at me and kind of judged me. And I said, I've been drinking young Nebbiolos all week. My mouth needs a break from the tannins. Ooh, what we got here? We got a Barbera di Alba, so 2 wines from Piemonte. Rizzi is the winery, 14.5. I don't know, it's from Treso. Okay, so Treso, it's actually a village. Treso is one of the villages in Barbaresco. Looking forward to trying that, a young wine. Nice little selection. So, This is a wine that I already know and I'm a big fan of. It's a region that I love, Friuli Venezia Giulia, right on the border of Slovenia. This is a Damian Necai, 2015. I've tasted older vintages of this. I don't know the exact blend, but if I remember, I think this is it's a blend of like Malvasia, Malvasia Istriana, maybe Ribolla Gialla, maybe Chardonnay Sauvignon Blanc, something like that. I have to look this up. This is an orange wine in the skin, so I'm looking forward to tasting that. Wow. Nice little selection from Roscioli. You guys, I will be posting tasting videos about some of these wines, and we'll have an article coming up, see if these wines are any good. The first pack that they sent me 6 wines. I loved 5 of them. One of them I was just okay on, it was still good. But really nice selection. And just tell me in the comment section below, do you belong to any wine clubs? Do you believe in wine clubs? Do you like them? Do you like Italian wine? What have you been drinking during this time? I want to know. So I will see you guys soon.